today we're camping, and as you see, my iPad is right there. It's because I went vlogging before mommy is vlogging.
Ito na yan, yung pink.
If you have no clue why my iPad is there, I'll just listen to that, okay? And why I have this.
Why you have that?
Yeah, because of that.
Yeah, malamig naman. O kumpara dun sa nauna naming napuntahan.
And you know, I'm counting that according to my calculations, we're 30 minutes away from Robinson's. Or more, or less than.
Mga 1 hour.
Yeah, 1 hour away from Robinson's. And my mama is working. So I will buy my stationery I have at my house. We're not gonna buy all the same stationery, but a different types of stationery and some real characters that I like. My top favorite is Kuro because they have it too much.
Umuulan. It's fun. Pero ganyan lang dapat.
It's fun. And when in the morning, it's not just like gonna be like pure black outside.
What's gonna be in the morning?
Nature and animals.
And what else is here? Tram?
Trampoline. Oh, and there's a bug on the mom's computer. Wala na.
Okay, bye!
Bye-bye.
Ah.
Puro insect yung helmet ko.
Sino kasama mo?
Ikaw.
Hindi ako. Nighttime vlog. Gayahin ko si Arian. Bebe, say hi.
Hi, Mami. Oh.
Yeah, may tent pa kami dun sa labas. Yan, para kung lumakas yung ulan, dun kami. Pero ngayon, dito kami. Yan, may tent. May ano to. Ano ba yan? Fairy lights? Fairy lights. Galit.